Hangzhou, Haikuo is a professional sales, industrial rubber hoses, plastic hoses, and automotive silicone hose AE 100 high-pressure washing hose, high-temperature steel wire braid steam hose, and fuel dispenser hose. The hoses can be made to be black or colorful, fabric or smooth cover. Industrial rubber hoses include rubber air hose, water hose, fuel hose, welding hose, steam hose, slurry hose, acid and alkali hose, and some chemical-resistant hoses. All of these hoses are widely used in fields of mining, petroleum, metallurgy, machinery, power, and energy. We also broaden our product line to plastic hoses such as PVC hoses, PVC high-pressure spray hose, PVC or TPU flat hose, Teflon hose, PU or PA hoses, and hot sale expandable garden hose. Silicone hose is our another hot sale products. It includes radiator hoses, engine hoses, heater hoses, and turbocharger hoses. We are very skilled in customized all shapes of silicone hoses according to customers' drawings. Products are very popular in America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Haikuo Company committed to strict quality control and innovation of the new design products. We own an experienced team. Each team member is willing to provide professional advice and good service for your project.